Hey everyone, Zain here, and today I'm going to show you how to open Barclays bank account online. Now, first thing you should do is to simply open your browser. Then what you should do is to type Barclays. Then now you should click on this first link right here, and now it will show you this page. Go to bank accounts here on the top. Then you should choose Barclays bank account. It will jump you to this page. Now you have to click on apply. Then it will scroll you down till you get to this part of the page right here. Now you have many options if you want to create a sole bank account or a joint bank account. And down below here you will find what you will exactly need to apply for the account. So here in my case, I will apply for a sole bank account and I will try to apply using the browser. So I'm gonna click on apply online right here. If you want to apply by using the mobile app, you can simply click on this option right here while using your mobile phone. So click on apply online, and after that it will show you this page right here, and now you have to answer some of these questions. So I'm gonna answer this question right here. Are you currently resident in the UK? I'm gonna click on no. Then it will show you this information right here. It will tell you exactly what will you need in order to apply. So now I'm gonna click on continue. Then here it's asking me to click on this one right here. So I'm gonna check this box, then click on continue. And now you have to fill in all this information. You'll have to fill in the information about yourself, personal information. So now after filling all this information, click on continue. And here it's asking you about the nationality, the origin, citizenship. Now I'm gonna fill in also this partition. Then now click on continue. And here it's asking you if you have a UK account, you'll have to enter your postcode. And if you do not have one yet, you can simply click on no. And you can choose the country that you are in right now. And after that, you'll have to fill in all these information. Then you should simply click on save address, then click on continue. And after that, you'll have to enter your email address, confirm it. Then now you have to add your mobile number, and you can choose if it is a non-UK or a UK mobile number. Then click on continue right here. And now it's asking you about the preferences. Now, after choosing any one of these, you can simply click on continue. And now you have to enter your employment status. It actually will take some time in order to fill in all the information. So I'm going to click on continue. Then now you have to enter the country of your employer's address. So I'm going to choose anything, then click on continue. And now it's a very important step right here. It's asking you about your income and tax. So you have to be careful when adding this type of information and try to fill it accurately. And now after filling the information, click on continue. And now to ask you about the tax residency details. So make sure also to confirm all this information, then click on continue. And just because I do not want to make the video very long, you can simply continue with these steps, and they will ask you how much money will you deposit at first in your bank, and they will ask you about the bank that you are going to deposit your money from. So if you have a current bank account right now and you want to deposit from it to Barclays bank account, you can simply enter all the details about this bank that you are going to deposit money from, and after that you will have to fill in the remaining information. Then it will jump you to the step of review and edit, and after that you'll have to book an appointment in order to see if they're going to apply for you or not in order to make your account. And that's all for today. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to support us with like, subscribe, comment, share, and see you guys in a new video.